the art of joining two pieces, where heat wields its influence, a bond is forged, a bond that holds, creating a seamless, unified entity. This, my friend, is the essence of welding, but it's more than a definition. It's our driving force, whether it's welding, gouging, cutting, or automation. We connect you with your goal. To reach these heights, you need to have the right tools, guided by the right expertise, delivered at the right time, so that every moment, every second, every day, you can learn, grow, and build your business. Yet we recognize that actions speak louder than words. We know that errors can lurk in the shadows. So we've established our own repair and maintenance service, share our knowledge at our dedicated training academy, empowering you with the skills and tools you need to excel. But our connection extends beyond the surface. With unrelenting dedication and boundless energy, we aim to become your steadfast partner, forging a connection that's as strong and durable as the bond